To wire money from Chase Bank, start by visiting the bank's website at chase.com and signing in to your account or registering for one if you don't already have it. From the home page, select the Pay and Transfer option. Then choose Wires and Global Transfers and decide whether you want to make a domestic or international transfer. Next, choose the wire recipient and the account you're wiring from. If this is your first time sending money, you'll need to add the recipient first and provide their details. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer, the payment date, and tap Next. Review all the details and click Next to schedule the transaction. Wait for the wire to be authorized, and once it's complete, you'll receive a confirmation via email or text. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you can easily wire money from Chase Bank.